Hi there, happy Friday. Welcome to your math review corrections video for May 29th. Our first question is with the patterns. It says start with 26 and then subtract 3 for each term. So we start with 26 as the first term of the pattern or the first number of the pattern. Minus 3 is 23. 23 minus 3 is 20. 20 minus 3 is 17. 17 minus 3 is 16, 15, 14. Give yourself 1 star for completing the pattern terms. After patterns, we have the zero rule with multiplication. We have 50 times 90 and 60 times 60. So as I've talked about this week, the zero rule is however many zeros there are is how many places you move over on the place value chart. So there's 2 zeros here. So we can do 5 times 9 is 45. Move it 2 places left on the place value chart, leaves room for 2 zeros. You can also see that there's 2 zeros in this equation. So down here, you can say 6 times 6 is 36, plus those 2 zeros that you see, add them on to the end. So we have 4,500 and 3,600 as your 2 answers. Give yourself 1 star for each answer. Your next problem is multiples. So we're going to be looking at multiples of 9 starting at 27. So I like to figure out 9 times what equals 27, which is 9 times 3. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 6 is 63. 9 times 7 is 72. We also have multiples of 10, so we're skip counting by 10, starting at 40. So 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and so on. Give yourself 1 star for each set of multiples that you listed. If you made any mistakes, just go ahead and fix it on your paper. Our last problem today is our word problem, and it says Katie had 6 bottles. She drank 2. How many bottles were left over? So if we start with 6, she drank them, means she got rid of them. So we have to subtract 2 of them. There's 4 left over. Katie has 4 bottles left. Give yourself a star for a sentence that has a capital letter, a period, and the answer in the sentence. And give yourself a star for the answer of 4. At the top of your page, write your fraction bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 becomes your denominator of the fraction. You get to write how many stars you earned today. I hope you have a fabulous weekend, and I'll see you next week.